4. Mac and cheese done. Ribs done. That's done. I'm gonna freeze that because that's really good broth that I don't have to buy. And my kitchen is a hot mess. Oh, and Maddie finished decorating our entire family. So there's like, she decorated the tree. She did the gingerbreads. Jaxson did his. Destiny did. The boys did theirs, but she did mommy and daddy and her.
No, you did. You did yours.
I did. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Like you said.
Did
I'm ready to eat, Rob. It's dinner time. It's 6:04. Let's do this. So it's 10:26 at night. 10:27. Everybody's in bed, and just doing my nightly duty. Putting leftovers away. I'm gonna finish throwing all the garbage away. Gotta throw my crock pot away too. It's done. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen, getting all the surface area clean, and then I'm gonna go upstairs to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys. Come on. Just cool. Just cool. Gotta go back upstairs. Get your stuff. I know, get your stuff. You gotta go back up. Here. Come on. We gotta go. The rest cool, mommy. She came down with the noise. You can stay in my bed. You can stay in my bed. I don't think I'm gonna have to make. I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to make my bed today. Stay here, okay? Don't go downstairs. I did my keto coffee. I don't know if I showed you guys. This is the coffee I'm using now. So. What do you want? Let's go. We're going up. Yeah. Where's your stuff? Let's plug this twinkle light in. Yep. Twinkle light. No candy. Let's go. Go get it.
Is there wires in the admin? Oh, this is what it said. There's no wires in the admin.
There is. When you first come in.
Yeah.
So, I have it all set up here. So, I'm going to be starting with the oldest. So, it's going to be Jason, Jordan, Destiny, Jaxson, Madison. Come back to Jason, Jordan, and make sure every child got a Laffy Taffy twice. So, I had to figure out where in the whole month they're going to get a Laffy Taffy. It was crazy. But so on and so forth. Maddie is on the 5th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th. I think that's how it was last year. I'm not sure. But this is set up. I had to rush out at the last minute to go make sure that I got all the candies, because starting on the 1st, they get to start emptying the bags until Christmas. So it's always fun. This is the 3rd year doing it, and the little ones like it. Maddie is disrespecting my hairpiece. Turn on tree. Oh, there you go. And plug in the stairs light.
Oh, it's in.
Oh, you did already? Yeah. Okay, let's show them. This is what it looks like when it's plugged in at night. Thank you. Can you clean up your mess before Daddy get home? Thank you. These two are something else. What do you want, Maddie? And is it TV time? No, it's not. Your sister's still on Zoom. Hmm? Be careful, Jordan. Be careful. I don't want her to fall off. When Destiny's finished, you may watch TV, okay? All right. Careful, Jordan.
That's silly. And we'll do the squiggly lines. And last thing, what is this? She wants a scarf. I love how you are doing so good trying to get those ending sounds on there, Madison. I love it. So we're going to keep working on those, okay? But I love how you remembered. What do you wear on your head? You wear a hat. Yes, and I love how you remembered that. And you remembered boats. You did so good with those. So we're going to keep working on those. Sound good? All right. Good working. I'll see you next week, okay? Okay. Bye.
All done?
Yeah.
Good job. How did you do with your speech today? Was it good?
Maddie, I was playing on it before.
Madison, how was your speech? Was it good?
Yeah.
You had a good session? All right, Mommy's making you some cookies.
Okay.
Hi, Judge. Did he get taken out?
Yes.
Hi. Did they take you out, Papa? Did they take you out? Did they take you out? Huh?
I was playing on it before.
Are you done with school? Your uniform. Really? 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 You gotta run downstairs with me? Got one zoomer. You finished? You finished? Everybody's finishing up. Found my Kasori multi-cooker. This is not considered a crock pot, is it? But this was down in the basement. I just cleaned it off. And I'm about to set my dinner on. Poor Rob. I'm about to set my dinner on. It's 2 o'clock. I have cookies in the oven. Let's see if you guys can see them. There they go. Hopefully they don't flatten out because I set them in the freezer for about 5 minutes so that they could harden up so that they hold their shape. So, and I'm baking them for 10 minutes. So I'm already gone for lunch. I'm having leftover mac and cheese and the rest of my cheese. So on this, you can bake, you can oven roast, you can slow cook, you can steam, saute, simmer, brown, stove. You can do a lot of stuff on here.
How can you use this?
You can set timer. You can keep warm. You can delay start, delay timer, temperature. I don't remember how to use it, but it was sent to me from a company called Kasori. I reviewed this about a year ago on my channel. But I don't remember. I used it one time and I never touched it again. It sat down in my basement for a year. So I'm gonna see if this is the same as my crock pot. So dinner's on. It says it for 5 hours, but realistically, we don't eat at 7. It's 2 o'clock. But this is fast. Everything is already cooked. This is lazy because I just got up.
Can I get a piece?
What?
Or that?
What is that? Cookie? Gotta wait for it to cool. The cookies are out of the oven. Look how fat my angels are. I don't know what happened. I overcooked it. Just let it cool, buddy. Just let it cool.
Your
Jojo!
What a useless dog.
You call him a useless dog?
Hit him, Maddie. Hit him.
Jojo. No hidden. What's burning? Hi. It's just a toaster. Okay. Oh, you guys did a good job. I'm proud of y'all. Look at that. Clean house. What? Oh, that table is not cleaned off. What a disappointment. Hello, guys. Thank you. You know what? You know what I'm getting ready to do? I'm getting ready to go to the store. I gotta go get some food. Got my debit card with all of Rob's money on here. Go ahead. And oh, okay. So, oh gosh. So Rob is home. Mr. Rob is home, and he's making a fire. And he's cooking. No, let me stop. He's cooking us dinner because if you don't know, Friday nights Rob cook. So he's grilling us some stuff on the grill, and he's making us a fire. And the kids are gonna make hot cocoa tonight and roast marshmallow on the fire. So tonight you guys are gonna get the crockpot dump and go. I just put that up for you guys. I just gotta go finish editing it on YouTube and get that up to you guys by 6:45. And then tomorrow, I don't even know what we have plans for tomorrow. And but yeah, so I don't know what tomorrow plan is. I've been slowly vlogging because if you don't know, I didn't put up a vlog yesterday or today, so I have a ton of footage. So I don't know how much of tonight I might record. So anyways, if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Bad.
You bad.
You bad. Oh, I just walked into the screen door.
A bird.
This is why our screen door is so jacked up. Because I just walked out into it, but the fire is gone. It's nice outside because Jordan has no jacket or shoe.
I don't need a fire. My basement's on fire.
Where you going, Missy?
It is overheat.
And Daddy's grilling us.
It's overheat.
What's on your grill?
Right now?
Ooh, sausage. Yeah. We're having burgers.
Burgers and chorizo.
Burgers and sausage for dinner tonight. And chorizo and hot chocolate by the fire. Hot chocolate. And chorizo by the fire. But so this is what we're doing tonight. We're just hanging out.
Just chilling.
And just chilling. What he just said. And I told him I want some duck boots. He's like, duck boots? What are those? Yeah, I want some duck boots for Christmas. I bought a jacket. I forgot to show you guys. It's so cute. So cute. Only $20. And I got some shoes, some heels for $13. Because you know I'm going to Jamaica, so I got to stack up on my heels. Because I got rid of my heels about a year ago or more. I got rid of all my heels, so I have to start stacking back up on my heels because I don't really have heels. I have wedges, but those are not cute. Unless you're wearing like jeans and stuff, but for like dresses, heels. Yes, heels. And then I got jeans for like $10 on clearance. It's a skinny jean. This is how I wake up on a Saturday morning. She fell asleep. She didn't even get to change into her PJ. And Mr. Albornoz just brought me coffee. Look at his mug of choice. He be trying to be romantic and everything. Thank you, honey. Yeah, there goes the mug. I don't even know what it says on the front. Oh, it doesn't say anything on the front. It's just a mini heart. Aww. There goes Destiny with her dad. They're making breakfast. Good morning, guys. Okay, guys. So, I don't know what happened. I was vlogging and just not feeling the greatest because I had Asian food. And if you don't know, like, Asian food doesn't do well with my stomach. It's like whenever time I eat Asian food, it messes me up really bad. So I'm just not feeling good. And I was eating it, and I was like, I wouldn't eat that if I were you. And I was like, I haven't had it in a while, so let's just try it. And sure enough, I just had a little bit of chicken, which I don't think their chicken is actual chicken. So it messed me up. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.